Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how can we schedule our reels on Instagram. So let's get started our video. You have to open your Instagram like this, and you will find here the plus icon at the bottom middle of the page. Click on it, then select the one that you want to post as a reel on your Instagram, then click on the arrow like this, and you will find here the option next. Click on it and scroll down. You will find here an option of advanced setting. Just click on it. You will find here such type of the interface where you have to click the schedule this post on, and then select the time or date that you want to set to schedule your reel on Instagram. Like I want to schedule it Tuesday 15 November 10, and here I will set my time, and then click on done. You will find this, and click on hide like. You will find here always share to Facebook, and yes, your post is scheduled. That's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot. So give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video.